Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Loom and re-upload your LinkedIn video resume. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure Loom is closed on your device. Navigate to the control panel on your computer. Select Programs or Programs and Features. Find Loom in the list of installed programs. Click on Loom to highlight it. Select the option to uninstall. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. Once Loom is uninstalled, open your web browser. Visit the LinkedIn website and log into your account. Go to your profile page. Locate the section where you want to upload your video resume. Click on the Add Profile section button. Choose Featured from the drop-down menu. Click on the Media option. Now, prepare your video resume file for upload. Ensure your video is in a supported format. Click on the Upload button and select your video resume file. Add an appropriate title and description for your video. Make sure the visibility settings are correctly configured. Click the Save button to upload your video. Once uploaded, preview the video to ensure it displays correctly. Adjust any settings if needed. Finally, share your updated LinkedIn profile with your network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.